see what he's eating. Doggone it. Oh, look at it. Is that a piece of corn? I think it was a piece of corn. What is he eating? What you eating, buddy? Oh. Sorry. I really wanted to see if he was eating. Oh, there's two. Oh, look at this one. Look at this one. He's climbing up there. He looks like he's eyeballing me. Hey. Oh my gosh. You guys are... Look at him. Just look at him. He's like doing this right in front of me. Brazen. You're brazen. He is cute though. I want to see what he's eating. I don't know, probably a peanut. Of course he's eating a peanut. That's what he's eating. It just looked like a piece of corn though in that first bite earlier. Here comes Charlie. I'm missing him. Oh well. This squirrel's sitting in this basket. The birds keep eating all around him. I'm trying to lock this thing in a position so I can leave it on him. But I think I have to go down below and then it drifts up a little. There we go. You know what? I'll press pause. There we go. See, it's still drifted up. And, well, now he's going up. There's Charlie. There he is. Handsome. Seems like this is about the closest it wants to get and stay in good focus. I don't know if that's because I'm supposed to be having the close-up lens in. I just don't know. See, it gets really sharp there, right? But if I go a little bit more, okay, just when it, oh, well. You can see what I'm talking about. The red-bellied woodpecker right there. Hello. And he's like,